Right, so basically, because I'm an idiot, when it comes to woodwork, nothing is really square. I mean, I've had a go with the old set square, but everything's a little bit out. But so, for instance, the top of this door is slightly shorter than the bottom, but I've measured it out and then I've trimmed accordingly so that it looks like sort of normal. It looks alright at the minute. I've still got trim to put around, so like here. Oh, I put these on as well. These are like little door catch things that catch this weird shape thing. Yeah, like here, I don't know if you really see that, kind of. Yeah, I'm not worried about like that edge because I've got a trim to go around, so you're not going to see that. Same with the edge of these. This is going to have like a 90-degree trim going down there. I've filled the old screw holes just to keep them flat. This is only temporary on there. I'll show you in a sec what we're going to do with that, with some cardboard over there. But that's got to come back off, and then we're going to put on the other piece. The screws for these are like the ones that come with it are absolute pants. Them. So I've used number 6s, I think. The shortest ones I've got aren't gonna grip very well in that thickness, so they did go through. But what I've done is I've just used a angle grinder, which I'll cut a little video to now, with a flappy disc where I've just taken them back. So yeah, that's how I did that. So that'll be all flat for when we vinyl wrap it. But yeah, it's getting there. You can see the frame. That's going to be the little shelf just there. It's obviously on a block of wood at the minute, just standing up, but that's why it looks a bit wonky. But yeah, it's coming along. So let me show you what I'm going to do with this curve thing. This curve here, because that's going to be a bit awkward. So let me just show you that. Look at them Crocs, aren't they nice? Colorado edition, by the way. That's supposed to be some mountains. Anyway, I digress. This is from this bit of cardboard. Now what I'm doing is that piece there is going to sit here against this. Now obviously that is like really not flat. So what I've done is I've sort of been trimming bit by bit. It's taken ages with a standing knife to get the sort of profile of the carpet and the plastic thing. So I've done that. It's not going to go that high, but I just, for a laugh, seemed like fun. So that's going to sit there. That's not going to be oh, need two hands. It's not going to stick out as much. Hang on, there you go. That's not going to be stuck right out. That's just there. I'll cut that off in a minute. But it's mainly for this this part here. So if I get the cardboard in there, that's going to sit nicely there. That's the idea. And then what I'm going to do is go and lay that on the wood, and then just draw round that. Not that bit. Ignore that. That's the floor. So I'm going to draw around that and then cut the sheet of wood out with a jigsaw, and then hopefully it should just slide in, if that's the wood, like that. Hopefully, but we'll find out in a minute. So yeah, there's the bit of cardboard. I left that flap on so I can sort of curl it around the bottom of the wood, and then line it up so that all the edges line up there, and then just sort of draw around that. And then what I'm going to do is just cut that out with a jigsaw, and hopefully it'll fit. Right, I've trimmed her up. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, I've breathed in so much MDF, it's horrific. Probably going to die in a few weeks, but there you go. I've not sanded it down, obviously, so I'm still trying to get it right. But that is going to basically sit like that. Just still got to tidy a few bits up. I've got to take a little bit more off of here, where it's sort of deep in the carpet. Take a little bit more in there, and then that'll all come flush into there. And then, like I said, I took that off just to, that's not going to be there, that top bit, but yeah, we're getting there. But I think for this video that'll do, because it's like really late now. Sun is just going down, can't really see it very well. So I'm going to call it there. I'm going to pack up for the day. Yeah, leave a comment below what you reckon so far. Like I say, I'm no am I a carpenter? Far from it. Nothing is square, nothing is plumb, but it's good enough so far. Don't know yet, it's not finished, we'll see. So next episode I'm going to be, what am I going to be doing? Putting that bit of wood, the funny thing, I'm going to be fitting that, and then we're going to put the worktop on, try it all in for size, and then see how we get on. And then we might be next video we'll wrap it, or it might be the one after. We'll do the wrap, do the trim, yeah, and then eventually what I'm going to do is router underneath the worktop. I borrowed my brother's router and sink some of, where are we, some of these LEDs. They're going to go under the worktop and be sunk into it, so they'll sort of do a downward glow from under the worktop. That's the plan, but that'll probably be a few episodes yet away. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe below if you haven't, all the usual stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.